Some of us feel like our campers are our second home.
Which means we're looking to make sure we can find items that will keep them organized and efficient.
But Patrick, we also want them to feel like home and comfy cozy.
So today what we want to do is take you to a store that you may not think of when it comes to shopping for items for your RV, but actually is a treasure trove of items to make your RV feel more like a home and also be organized and efficient. Welcome everyone, my name's Patrick.
And I'm Patty.
And we're so glad you stopped by Travels with Delaney today. If this is your first time, we have been RVing now for over 17 years.
Holy moly.
And for the last 5 years, we have been making videos to try to help you so that you're less frustrated with your RV and you have more fun. So today we're gonna take you on a tour of that store so you can see some of the great items that might work well for you and your RV. And then when we get back from the store, we're gonna give you a quick tour of our RV to show you how we've incorporated some items.
Absolutely.
All right, Patty, go ahead and work your magic and take us over to that store.
I think I found something great that you could use in the camper. I always like to use upspace.
Okay.
So in this little section here, they have these cute little bell rods, and you do attach them to the wall.
Okay.
And then you can get little baskets, and they clip off like with snaps. They snap on. Or you can buy these little rings with these little clips on there.
So you can find tons of storage solutions here at Ikea, and things like small plastic trays. They have them in all shapes and sizes, but what I like about these, they're a little more expensive than the Dollar Tree, although not a lot more, but they're a little bit sturdier. So depending on what size space you're looking to organize, Ikea's got you covered. What'd you find, Patty?
I found, because I kill plants, so I like something like this. And they even have smaller versions here, I'm sure we'll find. But this would be good in the camper. And you got this lightweight little basket. Holy moly. Look how cute that would be, like in your little kitchen or on your table in your camper. Awesome.
This shoe tray could actually be used both in the trailer to catch your shoes, but more importantly, I like this for out in the outdoor storage because it has a thin lip. So you set stuff on here, it's going to keep all your dirt and if there's any water, like if you're putting in a hose or something like that, it'll actually catch it. And at $5.99, definitely a good buy.
One way to add color in your RV is to get accent pillows, and Ikea is amazing. They have so many like little stations set up with color palettes already for you to pick from, and they got these cute little covers, and then you get the insert.
If you're looking for a way to maximize storage space in a closet, these hangers are a good way, and they're easy to hang. They just go over the hanging bar and they fold up flat, so if you decide to take them down, you can store them with you. And at under $20 here at Ikea, depending on what size you get, it's an awfully good deal.
We have these, we use them. I guess here they're called the Parkla. They're $1.99 a piece, and we store all kinds of, like, especially in the camper, like when we go, like Christmas, our winter clothes, like our winter coats, because we need a place to put them. I know you love this item. These are the food storage containers, set of 17, called the Huda Prada. Wow, I hope you really enjoyed that tour of Ikea. We just love Ikea. Now here's some items that we have in our camper. Want to start in our bedroom, and we have this lovely duvet and comforter set. And as you know, if you've been to Ikea, they got awesome choices, and this is what we picked for our bed area. we're trying out these new pillows. These pillows are memory foam and one side is cooling because we thought maybe in the summer that would help us stay cool. We also found these cute little pet beds, but they work great for us because our armrests get so cold in the winter because we like to winter camp and they're kind of rough, and if you ever sleep with puppies, you know you get pushed to the outside. So these give us a place to also keep our arms warm and not get scratched up or cold by having to be over on that ledge. We also love these cutie little plants. They were just the right size. I think they came in a pack of 4 when we bought them, and to keep them up there we put a little duct tape under there and they just stay put as we travel, and they make a cute little plant ledge for those little guys. Okay, in our kitchen we also have some cute little Ikea things. First of all, we have another one of our cute little plants that we have up here, and again we just attach it with some duct tape and it stays put as we travel. And we also found these cute little storage bins for different things, and originally our bar here was up top and you could never put anything in there. We couldn't fit cups or spices, so we got the idea maybe flipping it down and putting in our different plasticware and napkins, and my goodness, it just works awesome. Nothing falls out, these things stay in place, so they're a cute little attachment for our camper. We also have from Ikea, I found this nice little drying rack, mat I guess, and we had a bigger one, but this one works great. It fits right there as I'm washing the dishes and I can dry my things there. Patrick just loves this induction cooktop because we decided to take out our oven and we didn't ever use it, and so this thing works great. We found it at Ikea, and we also found a set of 6 cooking pots. So these are some really cool items. These are lightweight and they store easy in our camper, and we just love them. Even in our bathroom we found items that we just like from Ikea. They work really well for us. The first thing would be our cute little floor mat. I like to make it look homey and not just leave it bare. You know, when you're barefoot it feels good under your feet. And also this thing is amazing. This is I guess a bath mat, and when I like to, as Patrick says, I cover the mat when we take a shower, so it just is so comfy cozy under your feet. Actually gives you extra little space when you're wet when you come out of the shower. So these 2 little items are also our little finds from Ikea.
Thanks, Patty. That was a great tour showing everyone some of the items we have purchased at Ikea that we're using here in the RV.
And of course, Bear, there's so many more items that we've seen and we use even in our cabin that you might use in your camper depending on your camping style.
Yeah, I don't think we ever go to Ikea that we don't find something new to try out either at home or here in the RV.
It's perfect.
Now, if you're looking for other accessories for your RV, I'm gonna have Patty pop a video right over there for you so you can check out our 5 awesome RV accessories for 2023. And until next time, everyone, we'll see ya
On down the road.
Bye.